Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new around here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate you guys being here. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification button. Thank you so much for 11,000 subscribers. I do appreciate all of you. Next giveaway is coming at 15K, so please make sure if you find any value in any of the content that I post, please share it so that we can change the face of wealth together. So today is our Robinhood dividend portfolio update. I know a lot of you look forward to these videos and you use these videos as motivation to check in your own dividend portfolio. So I think that's great. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I do try to share, like something. Hopefully we can inspire and motivate each other to stay the path, right? Stay the course on our financial journey. So I'm going to pull up good old Robinhood. You are going to be looking at everything that I am looking at today, and let's just get right into it. So our current portfolio, now the market is open, okay? So this number is going to change. So if I say our stock position is this amount and you see a screenshot that has a different number, the market is open. So it may vary a little bit, but you guys got to kind of get the drift, right? So our current portfolio balance is $38,467.02. So that's pretty good. We're almost at $40,000 in this account. Just slowly building up, really being consistent, DCAing every time we get paid. I know a lot of you are, I know some of you told me you already got your tax refund, which is kind of fast. We haven't even filed yet. Let me know down below. Did you guys file your taxes yet? We're still waiting on forms, but for those of you who have gotten your refunds back, I'm so happy to hear that you guys have been investing some of the money. I know some of you have been maxing out your Roth IRA. Like, come on. Some of you have paid off credit cards. Some of you have been saving for your house, getting a 1 month ahead, saving your emergency fund. So all of that is outstanding. Okay, so keep it up. Your future self will thank you for doing that. Okay, I'm going to go through all of this with you so that you can see like what a $38,000, let's just say, account look like, the positions that we have. Every single stock, every single fund in this particular portfolio does pay out a dividend. Okay, so I want you guys to understand that this portfolio was built and structured for this purpose. Okay, remember, we have different portfolios for different reasons. This is our strategy. It's been working and we see the progress from it. Okay, and so let's get started because we got a lot to talk about. So let's look up CVS first. Okay, so CVS, we currently have 30.22 shares. So we hit 30. Our short-term goal is 50, and I believe we're going to cap this. Like, we're going to cap this at 50. This could change because, again, whatever my husband and I decide, that's what we'll go with. But right now, it's 50. The market value is $2,722.57. CVS, to me, is a really solid company. I adore the CEO. Her name is Karen Lynch. Sometimes all of the CEOs, I get confused, but solid company, pays a good dividend, and they had solid earnings recently. So I do like CVS for that. But yeah, we have 30.22 shares in there. Next is BP, which also, oh my goodness, I think all of the oil and gas companies had stellar earnings, like Shell and BP, like just stellar earnings. But I can see why. You look at the price of gas recently and are dependent on oil, but we're not going to talk about that in this video. But we currently have 65.21 shares, so it's growing just little by little. 75 is the short term, and then 100. So we're 10 shares, less than 10 shares away from 75. And this is reasonably priced. It's at $39.90. Again, this number may change a little bit because the market is open, but our average cost is $26.27. So we really have a good average cost. We're up a lot in this position, 51.89%. I didn't even share this with you guys in CVS, but you saw it on the screenshot. But in BP, we're up over 50%, which is amazing. That's over $800. That's cool. And the market value is $2,601.94. So we really are liking BP. Again, we're just going to dollar cost average into this until we meet our share size goal. But I adore BP. I think oil is one of those like old money type of sectors to get into, oil and gas. I mean, the old money have shares in these companies. All right. Next is Aflac. This is an insurance company. We currently have 37.51 shares. Our short-term goal is 50, and we're probably going to cap this one here. It's always good to have like some type of insurance, healthcare sector stock in your portfolio. Solid sector. We're always going to need it, like insurance. We're always going to need it, and so that's why we like it. Next is good old Coca-Cola. I really do love Coca-Cola as a company, just a smidget over Pepsi, but Pepsi is it's a solid company. It's not, I mean, Pepsi is good too. I'm saying that Pepsi is great. So we currently have 37.53 shares, so we're almost at 40. Short-term goal is 50 and then move it up to 100. Our average cost is $52.39. We are up in this position about 13%, maybe 14%, but conservatively, I'll just say 13. Market value is $2,239.79. So that's great. I can shop Coca-Cola's products with the dividend that Coca-Cola pay us. I'm telling you, I love dividend investing. All right. Moving on to Bank of America, we have 27.70 shares. Our current average cost is $41.14 shares. So we're down in this position. So again, sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. We're sharing it all, okay? And that means we're down about 13%. Market value is $992.27, so right under $1,000. But again, we're going to get this up to 50 shares and then probably cap it there. Moving on to Realty Income. I just did a thorough walkthrough with Realty Income recently, so check out that video. But for Realty Income inside of Robinhood, we have 117.48 shares. The average cost is about $67.29. So we're down a little bit, but we put money into Realty Income on a regular basis. So over time, the average cost will even out. We're down about 1.38%. So not bad in my opinion. The market value of this is $7,796.43. So short term, 150 in Robinhood. I think we can do that. Okay. Just being consistent with our investing. Next is good old AMCR. They are a packaging company. Again, another under the radar type of stock. Again, I like that, I love that not all of our stocks and funds are like out there, like, flashy and sexy, like the Tesla and Amazons. But companies like Waste Management, companies like AMCR, like packaging companies, we rely on. We don't realize how much we come in contact with their products until we do research on the company. But we have 61.27 shares. Our average cost is $11.94. Total market value is $685.32. And we are down in this position about $46 or 6.26%. So again, just keep chugging along. We would like to get this to 100, maybe 75, but probably 100 and just cap it there. Next is Maine. This is another monthly paying dividend payer. We have 56.63 shares. Our average cost is almost $40, $39.27. So ideally, we would like to get this to 75 or 100 shares. Again, we may change our mind, my husband and I, but probably 100 shares and cap this off. We are down under 1%, right? So about $22. And the market value of this is $2,202.96. So next is Altria, ticker symbol MO. Okay, so this is considered like a sin stock, right? They sell tobacco and alcohol products, but I am a person who believes in free will. I do believe that we all have the right to make choices and we have the freedom to do that. That's one of the great things about being in this country. And so I am an investor into this company. So we have 83.63 shares in MO and our average cost is $47.69. We would like to get to 100 shares and we're almost there. And I think we could do that by the end of this year. Moving on to Verizon. So Verizon has been having some trouble, but long term, we do believe in them. We have 35.62 shares. Our average cost is $52.54. So our short-term goal is 50, and we're going to cap Verizon and probably move on. I think we're like really firm on that goal, like 50, no adjusting, move on. And we're down probably the most in this. Like I mentioned in a previous video, stocks that we're down in, Verizon is like the one we're down the most in. Over 23% we're down in. Okay, that's $445. So again, not everything is up. Some of your positions are down, but overall, you want to see growth. Next is CSCO Systems. So solid tech company. We have 31.75 shares. Short term is 50 for this. Tech sector is probably one of my favorite sectors, but we have a lot of tech companies, so we're trying to like diversify, but we do like CSCO Systems. Their average cost is $52.41 that we have, and we are down, I said ours. This is our position. So we are down 10%, or let's just say 11% in this position. And our market value is $1,483.82. Moving on to Arbor Realty Trust. We have 110.22 shares. Our short-term goal is 150 for this. It's reasonably priced. Really do like it so far. Our average cost is $15.29. And that means we are down in our position about 5% or so. So not too bad. And our market value is almost $1,600, right? So $1,596 and some change. Like the company, really good. I know a lot of you have been asking me about Arbor Realty. Yes, we do own it. We have over 100 shares, and we would like to get to 150 shares. Moving on, we just have a few left. We have OKE, really solid gas processing company. We have 42.15 shares. Our short-term goal is like 75 or 100. Our average cost is $59.13. We are up about almost 16%, like 15.72%. Remember, the oil and gas industry has been doing really great. And our market value is about $2,885, give or take some change. But again, like I said, short term is 75, maybe even 100 shares. Solid company. I know we have a dividend paying with them for $40.26. That pays out the 14th, Valentine's Day. So pretty cool. Next, we have Iron Mountain. This is a really good processing or information processing type of storage company. And we have 5.49 shares. This is the newest position in this portfolio. Our average cost is $48.93. So we would like to get this to 25 shares short term. Next is QYLD. We have 250 shares. Our average cost is $17.83. Our new goal for this is 300. We went back to the table and adjusted it. My husband wanted to get up to 300 shares, but we're down. So this gives us a great opportunity to get our average cost adjusted a bit, because we're going to be investing in this again, and it's down about 5%. So not too shabby. It could be worse. We've seen worse. And then last, but certainly not least, is Energy Transfer, ticker symbol ET. We currently have 60.7 shares into this. Our average cost is $11.85. We are up 7.83% in this position, which is awesome. And we just started investing in this about a couple months ago. So it's reasonably priced. Again, I've been into the oil energy sector, solid sector, not financial advice, do your research, but I really do love it. Market value is $767.82. So we really do love it. And we have a dividend paying for this month for $18.32 that will pay on February 21st. So make sure you stay tuned, because I'll be doing like our dividend report for the month of February. But yeah, that's our update, our Robinhood update for the month. I really picked this account out of all of our other accounts we have. I really show this one because a lot of you have been walking with me and following me since I started this account on this channel in 2020. So that's why I love it. And to show you that if you're consistent, it doesn't matter how much you put in, it does grow over time. Even when the market is down, in good dividend companies and funds you believe in, it always works. It doesn't have to be what other people believe in. But remember, whatever you're putting your hard-earned money into, you just want to make sure that, you are in it for the long haul. Like, I'm a long-term investor. I tried trading. I don't have the emotional capability for it. So I just like this better. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down below how your positions are doing if you are into dividend investing. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification button so that you don't miss an upload, and follow me over on Instagram for more. So again, guys, thank you so much. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.